Cheese and pea, man. Welcome burritos, welcome to a new video. So today, this is my YouTuber Virgin. You must go and check out his channel, but I'm gonna make him do the talking. His name is Kavouhn.
Kavouhn. I'm a YouTuber, social media influencer. I do crazy stuff. This one time I went to the street to get box from 100 people. Box cover. End up tearing my eardrum. Spoiler.
I know, let me just tell you, for my own insecurity, I literally had this brother kneeling down, so he would appear shorter than me, but you can't show the actual height.
Yeah.
And I went with that alpha. No, you're not that tall. Just me. Like, okay, I'm actually like growing like what, 6'1", and you're like 6'3"?
6'5", yeah.
6, yeah, so kind of like close to the like tall thing. Yeah. But today, the video that we're doing is annoying
things your friends do in your house.
Annoying things your friends do
at home.
Yes, at your home. And
let's just jump into the video.
Number 1, wait for the Wi-Fi password. Me tell you this, like if you come to somebody's yard, you do not ask for the Wi-Fi password within the first 10-15 seconds. In my brain, you are supposed to wait at least 5 minutes.
Yo, man, for some reason my phone not connecting. What's Wi-Fi password?
Huh?
The Wi-Fi password. Like I was trying to connect to it, and I think it changed it.
Alright, the Wi-Fi password?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's take out the phone. Hold on now. Hold on now. Ready?
Yeah.
It is 049 F
capital or
yeah.
F U. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
O
or 0?
O.
Yeah, O. F.
Alright.
It's saying not connecting. Probably.
Off. Thank you. Off. Thanks. Hey, not that bad. 5 minutes not going to kill you. 5 minutes. You know you step in. Oh, hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up? How's family? How's mom? Is mom good? Oh, cool, man. Damn, what's that trophy for? That trophy's cool. You won a 5K? Is that what Uncle Pops gave you? Oh, man. Oh, man. Whoo. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, my phone is naturally telling me that there is a Wi-Fi connection somewhere around here. That is exactly how it is supposed to go. Somebody is not supposed to just see you. And the minute they enter your space, it just moved to.
What's Wi-Fi password?
Nope, that annoys me. And the next one, this next one, oh my god, this used to happen a lot when I was in high school and primary school, are those friends that want to get way extra with your parents. You know, the friends that want to show you up in front of your parent, and then my mother is going to be looking at me like, you could get an A+ too. You could get student counselor too. She just, why? Like, whenever I reach home, like, she miserably, you know, like, she don't deal with nobody at all.
Afternoon, Miss Berry. Yeah, we just come back from the football match. No, you can't be doing laundry now. It's too late. I already did it for you. Don't worry about that. I took out the trash as well. And you know that garden you say you always want. I started it outside. I'm not finished yet. I'm sorry. I know I'm only one man, but I never get to finish the garden. I have tomatoes, basil, and them things. And the bottles that you say you wanted to use,
what did you
recycle them, man.
Wait, what is that about? Yeah, I don't like them something there, friends who don't know who themselves. And then this one, oh my gosh, let me tell you, especially for those of you who, you know, you grew up with mommy and at some point in time you end up moving out and having your own place, you will realize that this one, the friends who do not know how to clean up after themselves.
You want beer? I heard cup now, yeah. Yeah, I'll show it tomorrow. Alright, come on, let's go.
Oh hell no! If you cook something, there is a concept called let me actually wash up the pot. Let me wash up the plate. You know, to be honest, I used to be one of them friends there who never really do none of that. So all the persons who probably know me, I know say I never used to be that person. Yeah, that was before me move out and understand. And the next one you have now, you have this one, this called sharing too much food.
What is it make?
Some rice and veggie chunk and thing. But remember say Keisha and Danny supposed to get some. See? Oh my god! Wow! buy a nice barbecue zinger with the fries and them something there. And you have it kind of safe for yourself and you have your nice like, pistachio ice cream in the fridge. And somebody just come and say, yo, I say, alright then, you know, take a little something and when you look, the whole container done. You tell me no. And the next one, this is the weird what I call it now, the friends who know want to get the visitor treatment forever. No, this is my rule. You see, after you visit like 3 times, no, you're no more visitor after that. So anything that you need to do, you're supposed to know what the things them there.
Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. Can I have a glass of water?
You know where the fridge there? Just kindly go and yeah, go find it. Okay? Simple.
Let me show you what's beer. I can get some water. I can get a glass of water, please.
Wait, where is it?
I can get a glass of water, please. I don't want it too cold or none. Just like 2 ice cubes. I want it perfectly square. If it's like a centimeter off, I want you like lick the other edges until it become like a perfect square. And I want it in the blue cup. My favorite beer like 3 months ago. And if you can, I want a little sauce. I know you don't like the mess of the place, but yeah, I think that's what
You don't sell like a 15 time of our year, so.
yeah, man, and
The fridge is right there. The glass is right there. You know this. You know it. Do it yourself. See there? You're not a guest anymore.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. And then this now. This is the next one that is our connected. We're talking about the friends who refuse things the way you offer. Just chef up this now, man. Escovitch, what you call this? Bami?
No, man, I'm vegetarian.
No, man, you have peace side, man. You have peace side, man. You just
Yeah,
say you're hungry.
I'm
You have peace side, man.
What is my counter?
Man, like, you know what? Escovitch, Bami. All if you're gonna have the food and throw it to one side, do it behind my back. It's simple as that. But don't refuse it. And this might actually be one of the worst. Bring uninvited people to your abode.
After you pass the coconut tree with the mangoes on it, you take the right, you come straight down here, you gossip on the bend. Yeah, when you see the lady on the road selling dildos, you pass that and it's like the second left.
More moments later.
Yeah, tell all of them to forward. We can. I think you have to bring some chair or something though, you don't have much furniture.
A simple heads up, that's how it's supposed to go. But you still have those friends that them will literally just be like, yo, we're just there, you know. And when you look, one whole entire dream weekend party that reach. You also have the people them will use your things them casually. These people, you know them people that will come at your place and them decide them will go through your cabinet. In your bathroom, they might use all your lotion, they are using shampoo. Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. And there's another one. Now there are some people who, you know, when they're home, when they're in their own private space, they get very comfortable. They'll probably take off their socks and put it up, you know, upon the dish towel or all kind of things. You know, they have a certain things that works for them on fit them turf. But they don't understand that when they're on your turf, they kind of have to abide by certain protocol. Where you want to know from? Brother! I laugh. Yo, them some you do everybody out in them. What try to shoes? So, if you're normally sit down and cock up your foot on the dining table in your shoes where your was come from working and you know so when you're there on your friend them yard, you don't do that. Okay? You just don't nah. The last annoying thing that is on the list, I don't even know if I want to say it. Not knowing when a time for
Hey guys, I'm just here by Barry's house. supposed to be doing some late night binging or something like that. Stay tuned.
Brother, you know, the party they forgot later.
Big wall.
Yeah man, they have to go and collect some of the things them.
Yeah, lock it off, man. So, big wall.
Oh.
Why, you want to go on the road?
Huh?
You on the road?
No, but I think say, me go just like do some other things up. Me I true me know you normally love for them on the road, so me I think say you
man,
forward.
Don't worry, we'll like cook something, cause
No, but you know say your mother called me a while ago and say like yo she cook one bad macaroni and stew beef chicken.
Auntie,
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get that.
I'm telling her to put up for me. Because I'm not rich up for now, understand? So, call her now.
I'm here one. Definitely. I remember one time I did have my best friend yard and the mother was just like, you know SPA for do? And immediately I understand so that was my cue to kinda you know kinda yeah. Well that's it Burritos, thanks for watching this video. Annoying things friends do at your home. This right here, so please go and follow him on social media. Everything's going to be right.
Kavouhn. Everything is Kavouhn, literally. Everything.
Yeah, you can go and subscribe and trust me, this brother is insanely crazy. And as the video showed, incredibly, extremely, that annoying friend.
Bless up yourself. Don't shut up yourself. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh.
Yo.
Yo, I keep on, Yo, sorry, I thought I just saw this and I was just like, I keep messing it up.
Amateur.
Yo, I'm the worst YouTuber ever.
Amateur old Barry.
I'm like the worst YouTuber ever. Finally.
That was perfect.
The fun that look like Tifo.
Box cover, it's your boy Duttyberry and
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome. Oh no, that's not what I'm doing. Alright, ready.
you don't know how to introduce yourself.
Oh no, I was about to go into my social media countdown version already. What is it already? Alright, so we're going very. Oh god. So we're going. Wait, we're using the audio from this?
Yeah.
It's good.